Can your food increase sperm motility? Just think about it. Do you know that the food on your plate may influence your sperm motility? As something onions, apples, berries, citrus fruits, or green leafy vegetables contain natural compounds that researchers have been studying for their effects on sperm motility. One of these compound is called quercetin. Now, today let us talk about this important ingredient which is there on your everyday plate. When we look at the sperm analysis, semen analysis, we look at different parameters including sperm count, morphology, that is the shape, and the motility. Motility simply means how well the sperm are moving. For natural conception, sperm need to travel through the female reproductive tract and reach the female's egg, which is a very big distance for the sperm. So the movement is very important part of the sperm function. But what can affect this sperm movement? One important factor that research has studied so far is oxidative stress. So what is this scientific term called oxidative stress? Not worry about the name, just understand it, what it means. Our body naturally produces molecules called reactive oxygen species. A certain amount of this reactive oxygen species or ROS are important. They are important part of our biological function. But excessive of oxidative stress can damage the cells, and sperm cells can be particularly vulnerable to this damage. Oxidative stress may affect the sperm cell membrane, sperm viability, sperm motility, and DNA integrity. In simple words, when the environment around the sperm is unhealthy, the sperm may suffer. This is where antioxidants have become an important area of research in male fertility. So, what is this quercetin? Quercetin is a natural plant based compound belonging to a family called flavonoids. It is found in our everyday foods, including our day to day use onion, apples, berries, citrus fruits, cabbage, tomatoes, and even our tea. So, quercetin is something not which is so exotic that you should be worried about it. You are eating it anyways without your knowledge. You may be already eating it every single day and still not know that it has got such an impact. Quercetin is known for its antioxidant properties and has been studied for its ability to help the protect the sperm cells from this damage, what I told you, that is oxidative damage. How can quercetin help the sperm now? This is where the research becomes very interesting. Studies have looked at the effect of quercetin on sperm cells. Research suggests that quercetin may help reduce oxidative stress and lipid peroxidation. It may help the sperm cell membrane. It is also studied to have support in sperm viability, protecting the sperm DNA, sperm function. If the oxidative damage is affecting, antioxidants may help protect sperm cell against some of that damage. And quercetin is one of those natural antioxidants being studied. But does this mean that quercetin is a cure for male fertility? No, this is very important. Low sperm motility can happen for many reasons. It is important to diagnose the reason behind the motility issues. For example, you may have varicocele. You may be a smoker, nicotine abuse, excessive alcohol, obesity, diabetes, hormonal problems, infections, heat exposure, environmental toxins, nutritional deficiencies. So, if somebody is suffering from this poor motility issues, we should not simply say, take this antioxidant and everything will be fine. We need to ask, why is the sperm motility is low in the first place? Because understanding the cause is so essential. Your food creates part of the environment for your sperm. This is a message I want you to take away today. Sperm are not produced outside your body, they're produced inside your body. So the environment in which the sperm develop is so important. So what is important is, how do you manage yourself? How is your lifestyle? Your diet matters. Your sleep matters. If you're smoking, smoking matters. Alcohol matters. Your weight also matters. And your exposure to the toxins also matter. And if your overall health matters, that is why I don't believe in giving you one single nutrient or one single magic food. Instead, look at your whole plate. Are you eating enough colorful vegetables? Are you eating fruits? Are you including a variety of plant foods? Are you eating onion, apple, berries regularly? A simple yet very powerful fertility friendly approach is do not have to be obsessed about this nutrient called quercetin, but just by start increasing the variety of plant foods in your diet. Include fruits like apples, berries, citrus fruits, grapes, tomatoes, green leafy vegetables, cabbage, kale, parsley, the green tea. The goal is not one superfood. The goal is consistently a healthy dietary pattern. So my message is, can your food increase your sperm motility? Yes, it can, but it is not a guaranteed treatment for your sperm motility. It can be an important part of creating a healthier environment for sperm production and sperm function. So, quercetin is one of the many natural compounds found in plant foods that researchers are studying for its antioxidant and protective effects. So, before you spend your money on another important, expensive supplement, look at your plate first. Are you giving the body the basic nutrients and plant compounds that it needs? And if your sperm motility is low, don't just chase the number. Find the cause of the problem. Because the best fertility approach is not, oh gosh,